We're now going to perform the hand fasting ceremony, but I'm going to explain a little bit first. The term hand fasting is taken from the Old Norse, handfester, meaning to strike a bargain by joining hands. Hand fasting is the tradition of lightly binding the hands of a couple together using a cord, ropes, ribbons, scarf, tartan, or strips of fabric. It is meant to signify a couple's coming together as one, and a tradition for today's couple seeking a new and spiritual way to honor their lives. During the Roman Empire, lovers were united together as they tied the knot in the tradition of Celtic hand fasting. The ceremony was especially common in Scotland and Ireland. Now the parents of the couples are going to present the cords. Could you come up with the cords? These are presented to the couple as a symbol of their parents' love, support, and blessing of this union. Carrie's parents will present a silver cord representative of the feminine. Charlie's parents present a gold cord representative of the masculine. As this knot is tied, so are your lives bound with love. Woven into this cord, imbued in its very fibers, are the hopes of your friends and family and of yourselves for your new lives together. With the fashioning of this knot, do I tie all the desires, dreams, love, and happiness wished here in this place to your life as long as it shall last. By these cords you are bound to your vow, drawn together in love. The first move is to cross the ends. This is symbolic of the partnership and union. As your hands are bound by these cords representing the male and female, so your partnership is held by the symbol of this knot. Two entwined in love. You will watch as your strength grows. May it be granted that what is done before you will not be undone.
Right.
These rings were made from the metal of the earth and represent the foundation of your relationship, and like a constant star, will guide you home day after day. Your wedding ring will be there to remind you that you are loved, that you are chosen and have been chosen. They are an outward sign of your inward commitment.
I commit myself to the bond and unique relationship that exists between us, and pledge to keep it alive, as this ring has no end. Neither shall my love be.
The next reading is a Tolkien reading, and it speaks of the road and the path that they're taking, the path of love and the path of the unknown, from the Fellowship of the Ring. The road goes ever on and on, down from the door where it began. Now far ahead the road is gone, and I must follow if I can, pursuing it with eager feet until it joins some larger way where many paths and errands meet. And whither then, I cannot say. We hope it's the road to happiness and love and joy. Carrie and Charlie, you have made your vows one to the other before all present and exchanged tokens of your love by the giving and receiving of rings. In the binding of yourselves, you have created life anew. By the power of your love and the authority vested in me by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, I now pronounce you hand-fasted, husband and wife, partners in life. You may now seal your marriage with a kiss. Ladies and lords, I present